Welcome back, guys. It's a brand new year, and I don't know about you, but I am ready to get in some easy digital couponing. Today, we're going to go over the best all digital couponing deals at Dollar General for this week. If you need a refresher on how to coupon at Dollar General, check out the latest video right here and leave this video a big thumbs up if you love saving money. And let's get started. This is going to be a great week at Dollar General because we have a lot of items that are offering overage or even just free items that are going to bring our $25 total down significantly in addition to all of our regular coupons. So it's going to be a really good week, guys. So we're going to start out with this first deal by picking up one of the Airwick starter kits. These are $1.65, and we have a $1.75 digital coupon that takes that down to like a 10-cent overage. So that's awesome. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Crest packages with scope. This you can find in your dollar section. It's actually just $1, and this $2 coupon actually works on this. So again, giving you $1 overage there. So really awesome. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Oral-B indicator toothbrush packs. These are the 2 toothbrush packs for $3, and you have a $2 digital coupon on that, making it just $1. And I know these first couple of things aren't really exciting, but the second half of this deal is where it's at. So you're actually going to pick up one of the Microban disinfectant sprays. These are $6, so kind of pricey, and we have a $3 digital coupon, making it just half price. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Finish dish detergent packs for $6.50, and we have a $1.50 off digital coupon. Some accounts got $1 off, so just check your account to make sure what you have. And last but not least, pick up one of the large Purex detergent bottles. These are $8.50, so pretty expensive, but we have a big $3 off digital coupon on that. You're going to want to make sure that your $5 off of 25 digital coupon is clipped. And all of those items together, the Airwick, the Crest, the Oral-B, the Microban, the Finish, and the Purex, is going to come to a subtotal of $26.65. But after all of your coupons come off, you're only going to pay $8.40 plus tax, whatever tax is where you are, and $8 for that big jug of detergent, dish pods, disinfectant spray. That's a really good deal. Also, make sure to look out for Christmas deals. The Christmas decor and home items should be about 50% off now. Some stores might have already gone to 75%, but mine's still at 50%. And your Christmas candy is going to be 25% off right now. And like I said, most stores will go to 75 or even 90% before they totally get rid of their Christmas items. So just make sure you piece out what items you want to get now and what items you could definitely wait on and get for a cheaper price right before they go out of stock. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, by the way, below this video, and ding the notification bell so that you don't miss any Dollar General deals or clearance events. The second transaction is going to have a couple of coupons that we're going to cross over from the first transaction. So if you want to do both, you will need 2 separate accounts to do these deals together. But honestly, both deals are really good, so either one would be awesome, depending on what you need. So again, we're going to pick up that Crest with scope. That's just $1. We have that $2 digital coupon that works. We're also going to pick up one of the Colgate Kids Cavity Protection toothpaste. This is $1 also, but it is not in the dollar aisle. I found mine in the toothpaste aisle in the little kids section, and that also has a $2 off digital coupon, making it $1 overage. So awesome deal. And we're going to pick up the Microban again, but this time we're going to pick up 3 of them. And that, I know that's a lot, guys, but you're gonna pick up 3. You have $6 a piece basically, and you've got a $6 off of 2 digital coupon that's going to work on 2 of those, and then you have that $3 off digital coupon that's going to work on the 3rd one. So essentially you're getting $9 off there, which is a lot. And then we're going to pick up 2 of the Clorox wipes. You're looking for the 35 count bottles. And these are $2.65 each, so $5.30 for both of them. And we have a $1 off digital coupon, making them just $4.30. So not a whole lot of savings there, but it'll work itself out in the end. And again, make sure you have your $5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. Your subtotal for the second transaction is going to come to $25.30. And your out-of-pocket cost after all of your coupons is going to be just $6.30 for Clorox wipes. Enough disinfectant spray to last you, I don't know how long, crazy amount of time. So I think that's an insane deal. Other great coupons that I wanted to point out to you guys for this week include this Betty Crocker Pillsbury Gold Medal Flour and Bisquick coupon. This is a DG store coupon, so you can definitely include that for $2 off of 8. You've also got $1.50 off of trash bags. If you really wanted some Gain products, I don't think this week is a great week for Gain myself, but if you wanted to add in one of the Gain products here, you could save $2 on that and swap that out for something in one of the deals that I showed you. We also have Tide coupons. We've got Nivea. We've got this $3 off of 6 on the Hershey Valentine's items coupon, but I think that's going to get better the closer we get to Valentine's Day, so I'm holding off on that for right now. What else? We've also got $3 off of Head and Shoulders. Those can get kind of pricey. And $2 off of 2 on select Quaker products. So that can be pretty good depending on how pricey the items are that you add in. So we also have the $2 off of 6 on Simple, St. Ives, Pond's, Vaseline, and look, we also have this $3 off of 2 St. Ives coupon, and this is a DG store coupon, and this is a manufacturer's coupon, so you could use those together and get some St. Ives. So I wanted to share those with you. Oh, the last one before I forget is this $2 off Nature's Truth vitamin supplement. I've seen floating around Instagram that there is a Nature's Truth supplement, maybe for vitamin C, I think it is, that this works on giving you overage, or maybe it's just free. I can't remember. I looked for it in my store and I could not find a bottle of this, so I did not include it in either of my deals, but this is another freebie overage type item you could add in if you wanted to. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks so much for checking out this video. If you found it useful, if you're going to do some deals on Saturday, leave this video a thumbs up. I really, really appreciate it, and it helps support all the work we do here to bring you lots of deals. Speaking of deals, if you're not already following us on Instagram, you're definitely going to want to do that. That's where I share deals that I find all over the web for digital couponing or clearance stuff, so you're definitely going to want to check that out.